Cutting show! Cutting show! Cutting show! Hey, Tulissa Squad! Welcome back to our channel. We're going to be doing a touching show. If you can't even tell by the title of this video, or any of that, that weird stuff that just happened, nice.
My house is haunted, guys.
It's a true story. We're back to 19 on long time ago. We're going to do tut in the kitchen. Let's go. What are we looking at?
Looking for the kid.
Hey guys, we're making our food. And look at these fancy plates.
I feed McDonald's from Walmart. The fancy. No, that's a good place.
Oh,
it's like
we
Gucci.
got from Walmart.
That is from super high quality Walmart.
But in the expensive aisle.
And a really expensive
really
aisle.
Expensive
for
aisle.
rich people.
Yeah.
Because that's what we are. So
guys.
So the first thing that's going in the big square will be these 100% all natural ingredients chicken nuggets. Going in the big square.
And then that's what's going in a circle. Ranch,
A tours. And then
we haven't decided the others.
yeah,
Wait,
but like,
apples?
and these ones apples, and then peanut butter, and then this one's gonna be candy. We didn't decide the others.
Oh yeah, we did.
Guys,
Wait, hold on, guys.
Since
So,
we're healthy
guys,
little peoples, we're healthy, guys.
We had too much candy today, if you can't already tell.
So we're gonna put ketchup in these.
Yeah, instead. Oh,
Ketchup.
chicken nuggets, apples, ranch, ketchup, peanut butter.
This is good enough.
She had to tell you guys that we were switching scenes,
Yeah.
so we're switching scenes.
So guys, now we're gonna be cutting up this apple with this knife. But I don't really know how to do this. That's the problem. So we're gonna cut it in half first. So I don't think apples do that. So I made them. Hey guys, welcome to Delicious Guide. So we're gonna cut it all the way around in a circle.
Don't cut yourself.
Oh my gosh, that is a starfish with arms and all these feet. Who put seeds in my apples? Who has done this? Wait, what a friend. So I don't think they come like that. Anyway, so now we're cutting up like this. Ooh, late aid.
Chill out, Alyssa. Don't cut yourself.
I'm not gonna cut myself, guys. I'll be okay.
You're like right next to your freaking finger. I just did. Apples aren't as good as I remember.
So I'm trying to make them even, guys. Even at her size.
Don't waste time in the video, or else people aren't gonna watch it anymore.
Guys,
Let her struggle.
touch the lips. Yeah, that's a
We're
good
doing
idea.
the even things now, guys. So,
Wait. 1,
how is your feeding this side?
1, 2.
3.
No, you say 2. You only have 2.
Oh. 2. 3.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
I dropped one.
11, 12.
I dropped one.
12. And no one wants this, but
And
Mr.
that one-
Joy, the little freak. Anyway,
Stop.
I learned something new about my family each day, guys. My mama likes to starve us, but not really, guys. Don't call the children supportives. I was kidding, guys. I have a good family. But we'll all have this peanut butter everywhere. I didn't even know we had. I didn't even know we had peanut butter.
Guys, so the satisfaction was a fail. And we got peanut butter all on the top of the thingy.
Guys, satisfaction? No, I don't.
Fail.
So we're gonna stoop it out.
Stupid out. What one was it going in? That one, I think. It looks like cat food. Yeah.
Big muscles.
Stop the builder. Yes, sweet tan. I don't think that's how it goes, but
Yeah, the little trade guys that help him work and stuff. Bob the builder.
okay, guys, I think we did it. These are our plates so far. We're waiting for the chicken nuggets to come out.
Yeah, we're getting everything else ready.
And for no what I mean, we're gonna know that ranch and ketchup.
Your tit point. What do we do with this?
I don't know. Do we lit it?
That's I don't really like peanut butter.
Peanut butter plain's not the best, guys.
Get out of my life. That does not mean to do that. Who has done this? Okay. I have very much complaints. There is there's peanut butter all over my phone.
on the seat.
There's peanut butter all over the spots that it shouldn't be on my super total fancy plater. I don't think that this is professional enough for me.
Nice and clean. The timer just went off. Chicken nuggets. Is it plain? Oh yeah. Tay guys, so we got the chicken nuggets and the ranch and the ketchup, and they're gonna put on there.
3,
Hey.
2.
Tay guys, we got food. We got the ice in the drinks. Like the sun. Tay guys, let's cheer for chicken nuggets. Come on.
We're cheering them?
Yeah. Oh no. Cheers. Done.
Hey guys, we also got these high quality super tool drinks.
Professional.
So we're gonna try these out. Sweet! So here we go, fixed it. You see these fancy straws? Show them. Hey, we're tasting the drink.
Cheers. Very good.
Very good. Very good, guys.
Professional.
So we even got colored feet.
The lights just turned off.
What lights? No.
Oh, did this.
What?
Tut. Girl, you will not believe this.
What?
Guess what my friend Turnus over there told me?
What did he tell you? What did him tell you?
Vanessa likes Jake.
Jake?
Jake.
No.
You're Jake.
No.
Yep.
No, her did it. Who told her this?
Haley.
And who told her this?
Turnus. Oh my gosh. This is.
This is not good. I like Jake.
Guys, I don't like peanut butter. Peanut butter. Turn this up, she does down. How do we even do that? Like Redondo like this. Redondo like Redondo. Or pretty snazzy, if you know what I mean.
Oh, guys,
Guys, we have a performance.
Oh yeah, we're having performance tomorrow.
We have to wake up at 9 o'clock and just it's 2 in the morning. And for smart like us, you know what I mean? Weent. That's a town weent, by the way, so that's my weent. Cheers! Don't mess with us.
Yeah, we'll mess her up. Her face up.
Ew.
Again.
If you guys didn't notice, we're going back to the room. So, guys. Oh my gosh.
Ronnie.
This reminds me of guys, we're being followed. Guys.
Guys, go check out that video.
Guys, linked in bio. I'm just kidding. It's not in the bio. It's in the description.
It's in the next feeds. You know, there's still be.
You know, like when the fadings are like. Wow.
Ow! My finger.
Guys, I think this video is coming to an end. It's kind of already 11 minutes long.
Okay, guys, I love her so much.
Have a wonderful day.
And I know we love you.
Goodbye.